Hi guys, today we got a fidget spinner, a new one, and it comes with these things where you can attach to different fidget spinners and do it. So, and finally guys, we got a fidget cube. Now I just got this. My grandma gave it to me. I just got it, and it's actually pretty good. I think the fidget spinner's a little better. I don't know really, but it's soft. So yeah, we're gonna be reviewing this and unboxing the fidget spinner, and it's pretty fun. You can do like a secret code. Your friends can try to guess it. Well, they watch you and then they can try it for themselves. This is really soft. Now we're gonna unbox the fidget spinner. Here we go. Now it says TriStar fidget spinners. And it says it probably can spin for like 3 to 5 minutes. It said that. It comes in 6 colors. You can get some and spin them together. So let's try this. Let's get it out. Oh, that feels so good. It's really, really, really soft. It's easy plastic, and you take this off, put it on here, and then take another one off. So I may use that sometime, I don't know. Now let's spin it. Now it's actually pretty good. It's really, really smooth. It feels really good. And it's light, really light. And it's lighter than my other one, so let's try to spin it hard. It's really quiet. Well, not that quiet, but yeah, it's pretty fast. I'm hitting off my finger. Took a while to slow down. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah. And if you see my code of this, you can try to do it and then send me it. And if you get it right, I don't know, good for you. If you get this right, good for you. So yeah, goodbye. Hope you like this video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.